Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is the placebo, the cornerstone, 1902 Biologic Control Act and the Tuskegee experiment. In 1920, arrival of the placebo, it took another century before the emergency of the another important milestone in the history of modern clinical trial, the placebo. The word placebo first appeared in medicinal literature in the early 18th century. Hooper's Medical Dictionary of 1811 defined it as the epithet given to any medicine more to place than benefits the patient. However, it was only in 1863 that United States physician Austin Flint planned the first clinical study compared a dummy remedy to an active treatment. He treated is the patient suffering from the rheumatism with an herbal extract which was advised instead of the established remedy. In 1886, Flint describes the study in his book and a treatise on the principle and the practice of medicine. In 1902 Biologic Control Act, the Biologic Control Act of the July 1, 1908 mandated ANS licensing of the establishment that manufacture or the sold vaccines, serum, antitoxins and the similar products in the interstate commerce. Before its passage, numerous deaths were caused by diphtheria vaccines tainted with tetanus. The Hygienic Laboratory of the U.S. Public Health and the Marine Hospital Service are charged with enforcing the law. Syphilis study of Tuskegee. In 1932, the U.S. Public Health Service began an investigation into the natural history of this dread disease. Location chosen for the study: Turkey's Macon country in Alabama, a place that had the highest syphilis prevalence in the country. The population involved in the study was largely of the African American descent, and the Turkish study involved the monitoring the progression of the syphilis through 399 poor black males. An additional 201 non-syphilis poor African American men were also unknowingly involved in the study as the control subject. They were told that they are receiving treatment for the bad blood. The patient did not receive the proper treatment to cure their illness. The study actually went for 40 years. In 1947, penicillin was the drug of choice, did not given to subject. Thank you everyone.